Hi friends, so today I'm doing an unboxing for some new glasses from Firmoo, so let's get started. If you're familiar with my channel, you know that I've partnered up with Firmoo in the past. I really like their glasses. I'm actually wearing a pair. This is the last pair that I got from them. What I like about them is that they're super affordable glasses that you can add your prescription to them. They ship pretty fast, and on top of that, they have hundreds of different styles. I'll leave some of the previous videos here if you want to check them out, but today we're doing an unboxing for my new pair of glasses for this spring, and it just arrived. So let's go ahead and get this open and do a try on. So these are similar to this style. The reason why I picked the new glasses is because I like the shape, and they always come with a plastic case, some promotional items with just like gift cards for friends and codes and things like that. And they also come in this little blue pouch that is branded, and this is style S986, and this is the way they look. This is the brown, and I just like the fact that they're not your regular shaped glasses. I think they look great. I was pretty excited. I have been experimenting with just different types of shapes. I think these are super cute. As you can see here, it kind of has a little like cat ear corner. I really like the shape, and I actually forgot to mention that they have a little charm on the side, so you know, it's just a little accessory. The previous ones that I was wearing had a charm as well, but it kind of distracted me, so I took it off. But overall, I feel like as I've been experimenting with different shaped glasses, I gotten so many compliments with these that I thought these were super unique. And what I liked about them too is that they're just a different pattern. As you can see here, it has kind of that different browns, and then the end is brown, and these are just kind of like, you know, fancy enough to like dress up, but also casual enough to dress down. I work remotely, so I meet a lot of people online, and I always get compliments on my glasses, so I feel like these are gonna be really fun and kind of like a good accessory to start conversations, because that's just normally how people start small talk. But anyways, I think that if you're looking for affordable glasses, especially if you have a prescription, I would highly recommend Firmoo. I'm not lying to you when I say I work with them. I own several pairs of their glasses that are prescription, plus a pair of sunglasses that I absolutely love. The quality is great. I never had any issues with customer service. They actually are super friendly. Like I said, shipping is fairly quickly. Usually takes about 14 days, but sometimes could get here sooner. And a pair of these with prescription was $28.99. The link below and my code would get you 50% off on your first pair if you order with Firmoo. So yeah, go ahead and check them out, and I will see you on the next video, and maybe I will have some new glasses to try on. Thank you. Bye-bye.